Hi, I'm Reena Lat, representing Akar Prakar Gallery. We've completed 20 years of the gallery in Delhi and Kolkata. In this particular edition of Art Mumbai, our really star piece is this Ganesh Pine. Ganesh Pine was hailed as one of the most Indian iconic masters by M.F. Hussain in the 80s in the Illustrated Weekly when he was asked to talk about Indian art and artists. Pine talks always in his work about a fantastical world, and this particular work is talking about death and life. So this is a deer who has an arrow in his neck, but he's trying to drink water from a pond which gives life. So you can see the shrubs around, and yet his face is like a skeleton because he can't drink that water. So it's a very poignant work. One doesn't need to really talk more about it in the sense, you just really need to look at it and understand the philosophy of the work. I think one can write a whole book on it. The colors, the greens, the blues, the skeletal systems that Pine was so famously known for. So I think this work kind of represents a perfect Pine. Yes, it's true that the number of art fairs are many more. I think it's good, the more the merrier, better markets, more people coming, more people who are looking at art, which itself is a great service, I feel. So any job or any work done to enhance the fine arts is always a good idea. And so far as markets are concerned, I think, like I said, every effort is an effort towards growing the market, towards growing awareness. And I feel that, we represent the culture of India through these arts, through the fine arts specifically. And it's a way to reach out to people and say, come, look at the art and take it home. Take a piece of your culture into your home. Do art fairs have an effect on sales? Yes, of course they do. You're creating a kind of a fair where things are on sale, which normally one would have to go into 10 different galleries to see. You have it all under one roof. Yeah, of course it affects and impacts the entire system of sales and the values of art.